Start checking from 9:15. Clear? Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay. Sorry, I didn't see. That I am. And I'm just checking. Checking how pineal gland works. Try to stop using toothpaste which has fluoride. Okay. Stop using toothpaste which has fluoride. It will calcify your pineal gland. Sir, using reversal best source of market depth is zero itself. Positive news, it's better not to trade. Use your it should be 3 to 3.5%. After 3 to 3.5% only the stock will start showing reversal. That is the point. You shouldn't enter in correction. I'll teach you how to enter in correction. Stop loss. See, stop loss. What I meant is, Brijesh. See, suppose you enter the second red candle, right? And suppose the stock goes a bit down, then it starts coming again. So when it reaches the level of the second red candle, you have to exit. No loss, no profit. No loss, no profit. What is the correction? Can you please repeat last correction, middle? Correction, I have sent you the screenshot. Not the screenshot. Some paper trading and super trade. So the session is over. If you have any more doubts, please WhatsApp Tej. Okay. Yeah, it's in lifestyle course. See, it's not like third eye or anything. You just get in you just go into a peaceful state. That's it. There is no third eye and all. All the conditions I'm sending. Telegram. Silver members. No, tomorrow CMS session will be by Tej. The stock comes back to its initial value at which you bought, please exit. No loss, no profit, that thing. Okay. So how was my session? How was my session? Okay. Thanks a lot. Okay. I hope you are trading properly. Okay. I'll switch off my video before that asshole comes in and ruins my video for Instagram. Okay. So, as I told you, something big is coming for silver members. Okay. Something really big is coming for silver members. Trust me. It's going to be the best thing. And it's not my idea actually, it's from mine. We are actually, maybe we are increasing the service to 10 times. We introduce special verses, but then this is going to be something else, something different, something really to the point. We are not going to be vague anymore. We are going to be to the point. No, not a meetup actually. it's going to be community, sort of community. So that's what I'm planning. So let's see what. No, no, also there. No, no, special boxes is not closed. We are actually making it a different thing, a better thing, and we'll introduce from Monday on. So Monday onwards, you people are gonna trade like, oh, trust me on that. Thanks a lot. Thanks for being in the session. Thanks for attending. Thanks for being a silver member. Thanks a lot. See you. Yeah, it's free of cost. Mit Desai, it's free of cost. Don't worry, don't.